Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video I want to show you how I'm making money by day trading, and that is really what I've just recently gotten into. I guess you could call me a newbie, and so far it's looking good. So I want to show you how I'm using Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange. If you don't have a Binance account, you can open one for free, and I have left a link in the description box below that will take you straight to Binance, and you'll be able to open your very own Binance account today. So what am I doing? I am trading this cryptocurrency. It's called Tron, and from this page I will go to the exchange, which for this particular video I will be using the advanced exchange. So we'll click on that. Okay, and here we are. Okay, so here I've just clicked on indicators. I'll get rid of these two indicators so you'll see what the screen would look like as soon as you click on advanced. There it is. This is basically the movement of the cryptocurrency Tron over the space of the last, let me think. I think this is okay, let me change. So over the space of the last, let me see, 2-3 hours. Yeah, 2-3 hours. Okay. So it just shows pretty much the rises. The green candlesticks show the increase in price, and the red candlesticks show the decrease in price. And so we pretty much have this yo-yo action, up, down, up, down. Okay. Down here shows the volume of the trading. So we can see there was quite a bit of trading here when the price came down. It's hard for me to get my arrow on here. There. Okay. And that is pretty much it. So right now, the price... Oh, and the other thing is I'm actually using this trading pair, Tron and Ethereum. Now, you could use Tron and Bitcoin. There's no reason why you can't use Tron and Bitcoin, but I just have a preference for Ethereum, and I have an accumulation of Ethereum, and pretty much I use Ethereum to purchase my altcoins. But you could use Bitcoin if you have Bitcoin that you want to trade for your altcoins. Then you just click on Bitcoin, and it pretty much gives you the data, the stats in terms of Bitcoin. But for me, it's Ethereum, and of course this here is the one I'm interested in. And right now you can see the price is at 4 cents, and here it shows you the proportion that is in Ethereum. So I've got all these zeros, 0.0001059 of an Ethereum is equivalent to 4 cents. I'll show you my trade history. And what's happened is I have actually purchased, and this was last night, 7:22 p.m. I purchased some Tron currency, and I purchased it at this price, 0.00011180. I want to make about a 4 or 5% profit, and I purchased it at this price down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate 5% of this price, an increase of 5% on my purchase price, because basically I would want this current price to increase 5% on what I purchased it, and then I will set up a sell order. I'll pull up my calculator And here you can see, I'll calculate 11,180. So this is the price at which I purchased my Tron, and I want to sell my Tron after I have accrued an interest of, accrued a profit of 5%. So I'm going to increase this by 5% times 100. Okay, so I want the price at which I purchased my Tron to go up by this amount. So I want it to go up to, I'm going to add, this here is the increase I'm looking for, and I'm going to add it to my original price at which I purchased it. And so what this is saying is, I think I have to do that again. I think this isn't quite what it should look like. Let's get rid of that. And let's put my original price back in. 1, 2, 3, 11, 180. I want it to increase by, I'll just do a quick 1. Shortcut way of adding on a percentage. So I want it to increase to 0.0011739. Right now the price is 0.0010559. I want it to increase to 0.0011739. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to set up what is called a stop limit order. And all that does is it helps me not stare at my screen constantly to create a sell trigger when the price goes up to what I want it to go up to. So I'm actually going to set it up so that when I'm away from my screen and the price of Tron goes up to this amount, then the trigger will be set without my being at the screen. So I'm going to use this option up here. Here we have a limit option to buy or sell, a market option. This market option pretty much is the option you use if you want to buy your cryptocurrency at the market price or sell at the market price. This is the one I'm interested in, the stop limit. So if I click on that, I'm going to put in here, I'm going to have to pull up that number again. So it's 30,11739. Okay, let's make sure I got that right. 11,739. So what this means is when the current price of Tron, which is currently set at 10,589, when it goes up to this amount, it will set a trigger and it will create a limit order for, and I'm going to put in basically, you see, because the reason why I want to use the stop limit order is in the event that the price is going up. So let's say we're at this point and the price is going up. And I say, once we hit this trigger of 0.0011739, I want the bot, the trading bot, to purchase, to sell my Tron. Now, it could still be rising. I don't really want it to sell my Tron at this particular point, but I want it to create an order at this point. Assuming it keeps on going up, I'm now going to say the price at which I want it to trigger the sale order. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to increase this. So 0.00011,739. Assuming it's going up, I can now say, you know what? I want you to actually purchase at 1,200. How about that? Okay, so what it's saying is, once the price of Tron goes up and it increases the 5%, which is how I calculated this figure. So this is a 5% increase on my purchase of Tron. Once the price hits this figure, it will create an order to sell, but it will not sell at this figure, it will sell at this figure. So let me make sure I've got my numbers right. I've got 11,739 and I want it to sell at, so it'll go up another like 300 points here, and it'll get to, instead of it being in the 11s, it'll hit the 12s. That's when I want it to sell. And I'll try and move this screen a little more. That works. I want it to sell all my shares or all my coins, and so this is the 100% mark here. There. It's going to sell all my coins, and it's going to give me a profit of 1.09 Ethereum. Now, 1.09 Ethereum, if we go back to when I purchased my Tron coins, I had a figure of, I used 1.01 of an Ethereum to purchase the coins. By the time I sell it at this 5% increase, it will net me 1.09 of an Ethereum. So that's gone up by 1.01 to 1.09. It's gone up 0.08. Let's do a little bit of math. 0.08. So I would have earned 0.08 of an Ethereum, and if we multiply this by the price of Ethereum, which unfortunately has been falling, we look here on CoinMarketCap, Ethereum right now is 382. So it really is a buyer's market for those of you who have been wanting to jump on the Ethereum bandwagon. You can pick up Ethereum at yesterday's prices. Okay, let's go back. What did we get up to? 0.08 times, I forget what that number was now, I think 360 of an Ethereum, and that will net me $28.96. Okay, that's all I'm looking for. It's really called scalping. I'm not interested in holding the Tron coin for a long period of time. I just want to take advantage of the highs and the lows and just scalp a little bit of profit when it runs high and keep on buying when it comes down low. Now imagine if I could do this several times a day. That would be a pretty penny to earn from day trading. And that is all I have for you today. And if you have found some value in this video, I would appreciate a like. Subscribe to my channel as well. That helps my channel grow. Hit the bell and drop a comment as well. So when you subscribe to my channel, you actually get entered in a monthly draw to earn 0.2 of a Litecoin. And let me know how it goes. I will catch you on the next video.